to liberate staff to formulate and constitution. You know why? Because they are the reaching age, they are the weaker. There is no discrimination on the basis of caste, on the basis of religion, on the basis of gender. We are respecting our caste, religion and gender after formulation and constitution. We get right to freedom, we get right to justice, and even we have the right to enjoy the larger democracy in the world. So ladies and gentlemen, we have to understand and know what is meant by republic. I tell you this republic means having an elected form of government, this type of government that is based on some idea that is all the government of the people, for the people and by the people. Oh, I mentioned in the beginning, but the bottom line is there is sitting on the people on which legacy of republic on India stands. So let us legacy forward and inspire our India country. Remember, I mentioned it able to possible and grow only when it people to attain and wonderful life to you all. So what we need? We need to have some right, we need people power in possibility, but who is possible giving this power? Only one is the constitution of a country, there is the constitution of India. So let's enjoy the Republic Day. I wishing you all happy Republic Day and thank you so much.